Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. Well, hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and you guys, we have officially started Vlogmas. Now this year's Vlogmas is going to be a little bit more of an unconventional type of Vlogmas. My goal is to upload a video every day, and who knows what they're going to be about. It might not necessarily be all day filming like your traditional Vlogmas, but I still want to kind of show you guys what we do or things we use throughout the day. So today's video is going to be short and sweet because, surprise, surprise, my husband is sick. Like, deathly sick, you guys. He never gets this sick. He has nausea, headache, fever, body aches, cough, you name it. He is on his deathbed right now. So today was very all mommy. I didn't have any help from my husband and he plays a huge role in the household. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to film all day just because I was wearing all the hats today. So I rely hugely on him throughout the day, and when he does get sick, or even when I get sick, everything just, you know, goes haywire. So I still wanted to film a little bits and bobs, and I figured, you know what? I'm gonna share with you guys this year all our advent calendars because we have so many advent calendars. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 advent calendars, which is a lot. Let's start with my favorite advent calendar so far, which is this beautiful Disney 24-day advent calendar. It is so cute, you guys. I got this at Walmart for $25, and this is the cutest advent calendar. It's 24 puzzles, but I just love the little puzzles. They're so cute. Some of them are your traditional Christmas type of puzzles, and then others are just the characters. And you guys know I'm a Disney gal, so I couldn't leave this behind. But look at this, you guys. It is so cute. Like, some of these, this was today's, and then look at this one that's gonna come. It's a snowy one. We have Alice. I mean, it is just so cute. And essentially what it's going to do is it's going to create one large puzzle and it's going to connect. So today we were able to do this one, and my daughter had a blast doing it. She loves puzzles, obsessed on the iPad, real puzzles. She just really enjoys them. And so I figured this would be really fun for her and I to do. And they come like this, and each little bag has a number. So this is 18, there's 24 total. They're not huge, and I'm able to do them in like a good 20 minutes with her. So it's a really nice exercise at night, right before bedtime, or after dinner when she gets home from school. It's so cute and I love it. So this is definitely something that I'm going to probably use every year, just because you do it once, you then pack it all up and use it again the next year. So love this one. The next one is your traditional milk chocolate advent calendars, and these I actually got at Aldi's. They have 3 different ones. So this is the first one. My son decided to get this one. They also have this little cute reindeer Santa print. I thought it was adorable. And then they also have this Santa and his elves. Now this is so fun to do once again after dinner. Everyone's gonna find the number 1 or the number 2, etc. And we're going to eat it. I didn't get to do mine today because, like I mentioned, I was running around trying to just get stuff done, and now is the time to eat it. So look, it comes with little shapes. Today it's this one. So cute. And I like them. They're not your extravagant, you know, chocolate, but I feel like they're small enough where it's the perfect perfect amount of candy for the kids. Yeah. They're good. So the next two are really fun. These, however, I will say, I did not get this year, but I would still see if they have them in the stores. The first one is this one. I got this last year at Five Below, and it's the storybook collection. It's an advent calendar one of the Marvel Universe. We are huge Disney fans, obviously, but we're also big Marvel people. Like, my husband and I loved those movies. My favorite Avenger is hands down Iron Man. I mean, he's awesome. But anyways, it comes with 24 different books, and today we read the first one. It was a Guardians of the Galaxy one, and my kids really liked that story, actually. They don't know much about the Marvel Universe quite yet, obviously, because they are young, they haven't seen the movies, but they were into the book. I was surprised. I was pleasantly surprised. But we have been doing these right before bedtime, and I also got another one. I think this one I got even like 2 years ago, so like a long time ago. I got it because it was so cute. The packaging was like amazing, and they were selling it, I think, at Costco. We were in Germany during that time. We were living there for like 3 months. So I got my parents to go buy this, and last year I didn't use it because everyone was so little and it was just chaotic. This year's the first time that we're using it, and it is so cute. I mean, look at this. It's an advent calendar storybook collection. It has 24 books of Disney as well as Pixar characters, and it comes like this when you open it. How cute! I mean, tell me, how cute is that? And then you can go ahead and flip it open and find the number. So I really liked this. My kids really liked it. It comes with these little sleeves as well, so you take them off. And the first story was Mickey's Christmas Memories. It was so cute. The kids really enjoyed it. They were so adorable. So I'm so excited to just like read more of these, see what else, you know, is in here, because there's so many characters in here, honestly. And I love how they have this little sleeve. It gives you like a little surprise because you don't see what exactly it's going to be about. So I'm gonna make sure to just be gentle with them, and once again try to use them every year. But there's so many characters. I mean, there's Woody, you have Raya, you have the Luca storyline. There's all sorts of stories in here, so I'm excited to dive into this for the first time this year. And then last but not least, this advent calendar was specifically for my husband because I am not a wine girl. Surprisingly, it's not my thing. I enjoy beer more, which I know a lot of women don't like beer, but I am a beer girl. I find it easier to drink, refreshing. Wines are okay. I mean, I'll have it if I have to, but I'm not a huge fan. But my husband likes wines, and we got this advent calendar. Oh, it's heavy. At Aldi's this year. It has 24 187 milliliter bottles. 24. And I think this was $60, which isn't bad because we used to always get the beer one. If you've been around for a while, you guys know we always got the beer advent calendar at Costco. But recently, I think last time we saw it was like $100. That was a little too much. It was not that much when we got it before. So this year we decided to switch it up. I mean, I'm gonna taste them still, except tonight I'm not going to because my husband is still sick and this is kind of his advent. So I'm not gonna really mess around with it too much. I kind of want to open it though, at least, and show you guys the first one. It has like all the wines in the back. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. But anyways, that is another one. Now, this is not necessarily an advent calendar, but I did get the 12 days of beer from Aldi's, and it came in this cute little box. Like, how adorable is this? They just don't have like them in special cubbies. I know the wine ones, they do have it because I was able to open it. But today, I don't know, it's playing me. This one is just like this little packaging. So when there's 12 days left, I'm gonna open it and just taste them, you know? Just kind of go blind, grab one, and give it a shot. The flavors are pretty interesting, not going to lie. You can kind of see them here, right here. These are some of the crazy flavors that they have. So they are pretty crazy, not your like traditional beers, but we'll see. They might be good, they might be bad. That's the thing with these wine advent calendars. It's hit or miss, I feel. But that is everything, you guys. Now, my goal this year for Vlogmas is to, like I said, upload a video every day. It might be concentrated on like a certain topic. You'll see, like this one is all about advent calendars. But the goal is to just upload a video every day and try to make it through. I never ever finish Vlogmas. Why? Because we always end up getting sick halfway through, and it's you know, it's very difficult when you have 3 little humans. But this is the year that I'm like, we're doing it. We are doing it, okay? So mark my word, we're gonna do 24 videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have a special advent calendar. I know there's so many out there. I saw Target had some really good beauty ones. Walmart had some really good Lego ones as well. They were like only $20, but since we had already so many advent calendars, I was like, you know what? We don't need another one. Maybe next year we'll get like a Lego one. The kids are still kind of small, but those look really cool. They had like Bluey, Grinch Legos. I mean, it was like awesome. Like, they were so cool. Once they're older, that's when I'm gonna get those. But yeah, let me know if you have a special advent calendar that you are looking forward to this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.